Hello everyone. So many times when I'm talking with my friends, so one topic is common that everyone is very stressful and they want to quit their job. And when I ask why exactly you want to quit your job and what you will be doing after quitting this job, the answer is almost the same each and every time. They want to start something their own. And many people want to do the farming. And now this is the buzzword that they want to do the farming because we watch the videos and youtubers claim that farmers can earn minimum 10 to 20 lakhs per acre by doing certain types of farming, let's say the pomegranate farming or the dragon fruit farming. There are a lot of options they propose, but ideally it's like saying that in every IT engineer can earn 1 crore of package by doing the remote job. We know how is it realistic? I'm from farmer family background. My parents are still doing the farming. My wife is also from the farmers family. My many relatives are from the farming background. In months almost twice I go to my farm, so I know the farming reality. What are the challenges? So if we start, let's say, in terms of the challenges like the water shortage, there is no market, electricity issues, fertilizers are not available, labor shortage, hell lot of issues are there which farmers are facing day by day. And due to in these issues only the big farmers or the smart farmers are surviving and they are growing, but the small farmers are struggling a lot. That's why many farmers are still poor, and due to which that their next generation is going to the MIDCs or into the other jobs. Why? Because farming is not that much easy. It's like the doing the business, and there is also the issues. We know in IT there are a lot of issues, but instead of running away from this issue, we should try to overcome these issues. We should learn, we should upscale, we should utilize our time to resolve these issues which we are facing in our life. But then also if you want to try out the farming, then instead of waiting for a final retirement, many people says that when our EMI will be completed, then we will go for the full-time farming. So what I will say is that instead of that, you can take the balance approach. Let's say you are working somewhere and let's say you are earning X amount, let's say the 20 lakh is your package. Now what you can do is that instead of, let's say, waiting for another 20 years and after that taking the retirement and doing your farming, what I will propose is that take the remote job right now, search for that. I know it's very difficult to get the remote job in 2026, but if you if you try, definitely you will get the remote job. And if they are paying the less, then also possible. For example, if your current package is 20 lakh and if the remote job is providing, let's say, 15 lakh, that is also sufficient, because we are going to experiment this idea. So then you can go to your village. If you have the farm, well and good. If you don't have the farm, then there are multiple options. You can take the rent farm onto the rent, and rent is really very low. Around in our area, we around 20 to 30,000 per year per acre. You will get the land, and you can do whatever you want. So you can also search such kind of opportunities and take the land, let's say the 1 or 2 acre, and do side by side. Let's say if during your full day job you can work, and let's say the morning or afternoon and weekend you can work in your farm. So if you do this, let's say, consistently for 1 or 2 years, then you will get realistic idea whether this is successful or not. If it is successful, if it is generating revenue for you, then it's well and good. You can slowly start into the full time, and then you can grow and scale. But if it is not working, then you can continue your job. So in conclusion, I just want to say that grass is always green on other side. We like the farming, and and every farmer says that the people who are doing the job, their life is really good. One more thing, During the COVID, when everyone was working from the home, I know many of my friends who tried different approaches or the options into the, let's say, the farming. They started the poly house, many started the goat farming. Whatever they have read or watch onto the YouTube, they tried multiple things during that period. They spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees, but then they realize it is not working, and then after the COVID they again shifted to the IT jobs. So they realize. So this is what I just want to say, that you can also try out these things. Don't wait for the perfect moment, and always remember, grass is always green on other side. Take the time, set or the clear your take the time, do proper analysis, and then try out these things. Definitely one day you will be successful. Thank you.